Hello everyone, we are going to read chapter 4th of Geography class 8. Chapter name is Agriculture, and in this video we are reading the topic is types of farming. There are various ways in which farming is practiced throughout the world, and the classification of farming depends on factors such as geographical conditions, demand of produce, labor and level of technology. This means there are many methods to practice farming in the world, and this classification of farming depends on many factors like geographical conditions, labors, technology and so etc. And there are two types of farming. These are, the first type is subsistence farming and second is commercial farming. These types are further divided into some parts. The first type of subsistence farming is intensive subsistence farming and second is primitive subsistence farming. This primitive subsistence farming is further divided into two types, shifting cultivation and nomadic cultivation. Now we are reading in detail. The first type of farming is subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced mainly to meet the needs of the farmer's family, and this farming methods uses low level of technology. Only household labor is used to produce a small output on a small patch of land. It is further subclassified as, this means a system of farming that produce all the goods required by the farm family, usually without any significant surplus for sale. ये फार्मिंग ओनली फैमिली मेम्बर्स के लिए होती है और इसमें टेक्नोलॉजी लो लेवल की यूज़ होती है और इसमें जो आउटपुट है उसको सेल नहीं किया जाता है. इट इज़ आल्सो फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू टू टाइप्स. इसके भी टू पार्ट्स होते हैं. द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट इज़ इंटेंसिव subsistence farming. The farmer cultivates a small plot of land and use simple machines and use more laborers depending on availability of right climate and soil as well as rainfall and other means of irrigation. A farmer can grow more than one crop in a year in the same plot. The main crop is rice. Other crops grown are wheat, maize, pulses and oilseeds. This intensive subsistence farming is common in the areas of monsoon regions of South and Southeast and East Asia. Means it is the type of farming. In this, the farmer cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more laborers, and it is type of farming both of crop plants and of animals, and it is practiced in densely populated areas of Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and coastal areas of Andhra Pradesh in India. And rice is primary crop grown through this type of farming. This is common in monsoon lands of Asia like China, India, Bangladesh, Thailand and Sri Lanka. ये एग्रीकल्चर एक छोटे से लैंड पे की जाती है और इसमें लेबर्स की नीड ज़्यादा होती है. मशीन जो है वो सिंपली टूल्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं. इस टाइप में जो मेन क्रॉप, इस टाइप की एग्रीकल्चर में जो मेन क्रॉप है वो है राइस एंड अदर क्रॉप्स भी हैं, वीट, मेज, पल्सेस, ऑयल सीड्स आर. एंड ये जो मानसून रीजन्स होते हैं उन्हीं में ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिसाइज होती है, लाइक इन इंडिया उत्तर प्रदेश, पंजाब, तमिलनाडु एंड सो ऑन. नाउ वी आर रीडिंग सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ फार्मिंग. दिस इज प्रिमिटिव subsistence farming. This is also a small scale farming pattern of primitive nature. It is further classified into two types. Primitive farming means it is the oldest form of farming and still done in some areas of the world. ये सबसे पुराना तरीका है फार्मिंग का और हमारे वर्ल्ड में अभी भी इसको किया जाता है. The first part of इसका पहला जो पार्ट है वो है शिफ्टिंग कल्टिवेशन. शिफ्टिंग कल्टिवेशन इज़ वेरी common in it is done mostly by the tribal peoples, and it is practiced in the thickly forested areas of Amazon basin, tropical Africa, parts of Southeast Asia, Northeast India. These are areas which receive very heavy rainfall and ground vegetation undergrowth regenerate quickly. A plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. The ashes are then mixed with the soil and then crops like yam, potatoes, maize and cassava are grown. Once the soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned and the cultivator moved to a new plot. This means it is a mode of farming long followed in the Southeast Asia and Northeast India and thickly covered forested areas like Amazon basin. And shifting cultivation is a practice where people move from one place to other place for farming, and it is also called slash and burn, and other name also milpa, zooming, etc. This cultivation especially practiced by tribal people, and they cultivate a piece of land. After harvesting, they burn the leftovers, and ashes are then mixed up with the soil. When this soil become unfertile, they left this land, move to a new place. Means ये agriculture हैवी रेनफुल एरियाज़ में होती है, और इस एग्रीकल्चर के कई सारे नेम्स होते हैं. स्पेशली इसका नेम है स्लैश एंड बर्न. मीन्स स्लैश मीन्स कटिंग करना, एंड बर्न मीन्स बर्न अप, जला देना. पेड़ों को काटा जाता है इसमें और फिर जलाया जाता है. उसके बाद जो एशेज़ होती है वो सोइल को फर्टाइल बनाती है, और इससे कई सारी क्रॉप्स को ग्रो किया जाता है ईजिली. आफ्टर सम ईयर द कल्टिवेटर्स लेफ्ट द लैंड, यानी जो कल्टिवेटर्स होते हैं वो इस लैंड को छोड़ के जब ये अनफर्टाइल हो जाती है तो न्यू प्लेस पे चले जाते हैं. Now we are reading second part of primitive subsistence farming. It is nomadic herding. This means it is a type of farming in which herdsmen move from place to another place with their animals like sheep, camel, yak and goats in search of fodder and water. Herders produce valuable products like meat, wool and milk by these animals, and this method of farming is practiced in arid and semi-arid areas of Africa, Asia, Europe and in the tundra regions of Asia and Europe. And this is also done in some parts of India like Rajasthan, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh.